Oriyo mureberezi wa Western Kore Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twino Mujuni obu yabari aha mukoro ogwo kuteeka habeege mikono hamwe na no kushabira abeegi ba senior ya kana hamwe na senior ya mukaaga babwera Nyangi Girls Secondary School abarikuza kwetebekanisiza ebigezo byabo by'akamaririzo bya UNEB yahiga abeegi obutatiina ngu abo kuba bwoba nibureeta okugwa.
Not because they are mentally unable, but because of fear. There's fear. So I want to warn you ahead of time. Do not fear. When you enter that examination room, do not look at the paper and then you begin trembling.
Bishop yagaruka yashaba abeegi okukoresa amaani maingi ngu ahabw'okuba Ruhanga naayamba abarikweyamba.
If your fellow student is studying hard, doing more assignments, she's very committed, but God is seeing her. And you are lazy, lousy, and slothful. How can he not reward this hardworking girl? And he chooses to reward or bless this lousy.
Bishop omukuhabura abeegi tiyakomaho yashaba abaana b'abaishiki kwekwata gye.
You will come, but you should find peace and right. A message that is going to be a partner of value, that is going to add value. And this is why you need to say no to sin, and yes, righteousness, and then you work hard, you move on, you study, you work. One day you will enjoy, you will rejoice that you once accepted the Lord. I bless you.
Abebembezi hamwe n'abakuru b'ishomero bashobora kubetebekanisiza ebibuuzo ebi.
Have taken place in classes. Students have started activities of integration and then we have cycle exams. We have had district work for the candidates and post work. We have invited new facilitators and scorers for senior 4 and senior 6.
Very comfortable and believe that we have received appropriate guidance from the teachers, the dear parents, and all those who care. Therefore, time is now to shine. As you prepare to walk into the examination rooms, know that the entire world do believe in you and the future of this nation.
Abeegi ba senior ya kana nibatandika ebibuuzo izooba erya nyenkyakare na n'okurabirwamu okubashemereire kutwaza omu bibuuzo ekirikwetwa briefing. Agagasha Olivia Nasaasira omu Bushenyi.